We had a great topic today, learning mostly words that describe life events. In Master Azerbaijani Weekly Recap, we'll be going over those to see what we learned. We learned Həyat, about life, existence. We learned about Ölüm, about death, mortality. We learned about Xəstəlik, illness, sickness. We learned about toy. No, not that toy. That's wedding celebration. We learned about Günü, a birthday. We learned about Afərin, well done, good job. And we learned how to pay a visit with Ziyarət. Yeah, despite being important life event words, we had some dad joke uses too. I scheduled Həyat in my calendar, but it refused the invite. My weekend plans lost a fight with a surprise Xəstəlik. I RSVP'd for free food, accidentally led dance at the toy. I only attend my own Günü for the cake, obviously. I called it networking. My boss called it a Ziyarət. All right, now let's do some quiz. Which word also means good job? Drop in the comments below if you know the answer. Don't worry about the letter that you don't have on your keyboard at the moment. Just type in the closest one you think it is. Now, next week we're starting a new set of topic, a new set of 7 words. Make sure come back, check on us daily, because if you come and check consistently, that will bring you the fluency that you're trying to achieve by being on this channel. Otherwise, I also have masterozervagini.com for you and Master Azerbaijani app if you are interested in going deeper and further than word of the day. If not, word of the day is here. As I promised from day one, I will be around for 1 year teaching you every new word, every new word every single day. So yeah, I'll be here next week.